Hi everyone, and today I'm unboxing 3 Lottie dolls. Walk in the park, have dark brown hair. Superhero Lottie, true hero, have brown hair. And then Cool for School Lottie with blondish hair. They are all nicely packed in a box, and everyone got something with them. Lottie Walk in the Park have a dog. Superhero have a little teddy bear. And Cool for School Lottie have a little school bag. Sit back and relax while I'm unboxing these 3 Lottie dolls. Cool for School, Superhero Lottie, and a Walk in the Park. The Lottie Cool for School. So it is the Lottie Cool for School. She got a beautiful blue top on with a bee on, and on her shorts stands Branksy, and there's her school bag. This is the Lottie Superhero True Hero. Out of the box, the Lottie Superhero True Hero is the Lottie doll with the long brownish hair, but what I don't like about it is that she doesn't have shoes on. She got a little teddy bear. Oh, I think there's her shoes. It looks like little stokies. And there's a picture in the back of her and the teddy bear. So this is the Lottie Superhero. At the back of the box, it looks like a little writing pad. And there is the little Lottie with her little teddy bear. And there is her little stokies. So unboxing the Lottie doll Walk in the Park. So I took the Lottie Walk in the Park out, and this is how she looks when she's out of the box. She got this beautiful, cute little red boots on. She got a doggy, and this is her outfit. At the back of the box is an animation picture of her and the little doggy. And there in the box, down the bottom, it says collect them all. Cool for School Lottie have glasses, reading glasses with, and a school bag. Her legs can bend, and they are very high quality. And she can lift her hands up. Here is Superhero Lottie. I'm not so fond about the shoes. And a little teddy bear friend. A Walk in the Park, the Lottie have a cute little jacket on with rabbit ears, and the little puppy have a nice leash that she can walk around with it. I love her boots. And she got the most cutest jacket on. In the back there's a rabbit tail as well. And when you take the jacket off, she got a cute little orange dress on. There's a little puppy. I love that the Lottie dolls have long hair. And here is the 3 Lottie dolls. Back to school. School for you, Cool for You, and Superhero, and Walk in the Park. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely, lovely day. Blessings.